Hi, welcome. Today I will show you to design the hierarchical circuit using OrCAD PICE. The main advantage of using hierarchical design in Capture is having a global view of the functional blocks contained in your project and the nets shared between the blocks. In addition, you can view the direction of the nets with the ports in block diagram. In this exercise, we will look on this simple circuit that we will make it as a hierarchical block diagram later. Based on this circuit, we can separate it into 3 blocks, which is block of LED, block of buttons, and block of power supply. In Draft U circuit will separate into 3 blocks. The first block is power supply, second block is button block, and third block is LED block. Back to the circuit. We need to determine which wire connection actually connected to each blocks. So here I circle out the wire that will connect it to each others. So, here is how the wire will be interconnected for each blocks. Now, you can start a new project to start drawing a hierarchical circuit. Now, we will draw first hierarchy block for power supply. From the power supply circuit, 1 wire is required to connect with buttons block. So, 1 hierarchical pin is required in the block of power supply. Click the Place Pin button on the sidebar to add the pin. In the second block there are 4 pins are required to interconnect with the circuit. Now we have done the second block. Next we must draw a third block which contains the 3 pins. Now select the wire button at the sidebar, and draw a wire connection between the blocks. Now we have completed the entire block of circuit. And schematic drawing of this circuit is renamed as the main block. Next, we need to draw a detail circuit for each block. To create a new page of the power supply circuit, right-click on the first block and select Descend Hierarchy. For the new page of first block, rename it as Power Supply Block. In this new schematic page, draw a circuit of power supply here. Next, repeat the same process as first block for the second block circuit. Right-click and select Descend Hierarchy. The last third is to draw the circuit block of LED circuit. Well done. Now you have managed to draw the schematic circuit using hierarchical approach. Good luck.